How to fix your Spotify playlist. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide, and in today's guide video I am going to guide you on how you can fix your Spotify playlist. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to this channel, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So I'm going to simply go ahead and open my Spotify app. And first of all, we are going to go to our playlist section. So in order to go to our playlist section, what we want to do is at the bottom right, we are simply going to go ahead and tap on the library button. As you go to library button, here it will show you a list of playlists which you have created. And let me go ahead and open any random playlist right over here. So maybe you're having the issue on your playlist of playing random songs within a certain playlist. So if you want to fix that issue, then first of all, I'm going to simply play a song. And at the bottom left hand side, you will simply be able to see this green check. So you want to simply turn this arrow off by simply tapping on it once, and which means that you have successfully turned off the shuffle. Now if you go back and play a song from your playlist, instead of playing a random song from your playlist, it is going to play the next song right after that. So make sure that the shuffle is currently turned off. Make sure that this is not currently in the green button, because if it is in green, then it means that the shuffle is currently turned on. This was a simple way to fix your Spotify playlist issue. Now if you want to add songs on it, you can simply tap on add songs, and if you want to add more songs to it, if you want to delete, then you can simply tap on delete as well. And on the top right, if you tap on the three dots, you have many options. You can make collaborative, you can edit the playlist, you can delete the whole playlist, you can download all of the songs from this playlist, you can find in your playlist, you can sort this playlist according to your wish. You can also make this playlist a secret as well as share it, and also add the playlist to your home screen. So we hope one of these solutions actually worked for you. If it did help you, and make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe. And if you have any more questions, also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.